Hello everyone, this is Mr. Butros Asad, and today we will talk about solving simple equalities and inequalities. First, what are the meaning of these two words, equalities and inequalities? The equalities refers to the math sentences that use the equal sign, and the inequalities refers to the math sentence that use greater than or less than signs. For, for example, an equality like what plus 2 equal 5. This is an example of equalities. And inequalities like 3 plus what less than 7. These are equalities and inequalities. We will learn how to solve these equalities and inequalities. Means we will find the missing number in these math sentences. Let's start by this. What plus 13 equals 45? This means I'm thinking of a number. When I add 13 to it, I get 45. If I represent this equality using the number line, I will start somewhere that I don't know. I will start somewhere that I don't know. I will go forward because I add. So I will go forward 13 steps and I will land on 45. To solve this equality, I want to find the missing number here. To think about this equality, how can I find the missing number here? I walked 13 steps forward and I reached 45. If I went back this 13 steps back, I will reach the missing number because I reversed the action. So the story start like this. I'm somewhere, I walk forward 13 steps, I land on 45. If I went back this 13 steps, I will go back to the starting point, which is the missing number. So to solve this, what I will do, I will reverse the action. How can I reverse the action? I will start from 45 and I will go back 13 steps. I can go back 10, then I go back 3 to make it easier for me to solve this inequality. 45 go back 10 will be 35. 35 take away 3 will be 32. So the missing number is here, 32. So the missing number here is 32. To check my answer, I will do this addition again. 30 and 10 will be 40. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 40 plus 5 will be 45. So my solution is correct. I have another example here. 24 plus what equal to 57? I think of a number, I add it to 24 and I get 57. What is my number? So I start from 24 and I walked forward some steps that I don't know exactly, but I know that I landed on 57. I started from 24, I walked forward some steps, and I landed on 57. How can I solve this equality? In the previous example, I reversed the action. Here, how can I reverse the action? In the easy way, I can count the steps from 24 to 57. This means I will use counting up to know how many steps to go from 24 to reach 57. So I will start from 24 and I should count on until I reach 57. First, let's jump to the next multiple of 10. After 20, I say 30. So from 24 to 30, I should add 6. Then from 30, I should go until I reach 50. So from 30 to 50, I need 20. Then from 20, I will jump 7 to reach 57, my number. So where is the solution? The missing number is the distance from 24 to 57, or the difference between them. In other words, the missing number is the number of steps that I walked from 24 until I reached 57, which is 20 plus 7 plus 6, which is 33. 20 plus 7, 27 plus 6 is 33. So the missing number here is 33. Let's check our answer. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 50 plus 7 is equal to 57. So my answer is correct. What minus 14 equal 26? I think of a number. I don't know this number, but when I go back, when I go back, when I take away, when I go back 14 steps, I land on 26. How can I find this number? To find this number, I will reverse the action. So I will start from 26, and instead of going back 14 steps, I will go forward 14 steps until I reach the missing number. So 26 plus 14 is equal to 20 plus 10 is 30, 6 plus 4 is 10, 30 and 10 is equal to 40. So the missing number here is 40. So the password for all these examples is reversing the action. Let's have a look at this example. 38 minus what equal 25? I'm thinking of a number. When I take it away from 38, I will land on 25. In other words, I'm starting at 38. I go back some steps, a number of steps, and I land on 25. What is the number of steps that I went back? To find the number of steps, I will reverse the action. So instead of going back from 38 to 25, I will start at 25 and I will count the steps until I reach 38. This is the strategy, reversing the action. So how can I make it? From 25, I will jump to the next multiple of 10. Imagine that here is 25. I will jump to the next multiple of 10, which is 30. I need 5 steps. Then from 30, I will go forward some steps until I reach 38. So I need 8 steps. So in total, I walked 5 steps, then 8 steps, in total 13 steps. So it should take 13 steps from 25 to reach 38. So if I am at 38 and I went back 13 steps, I will land on 25. So the missing number here is 13. And you can check your answer by subtracting 13 from 38. You will get 25. What number is less than 5. I think of a whole number, it is less than 5. What could it be? In this inequality, this is inequality. There are many solutions for this inequality. So for example, I can choose any number that is less than 5, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I cannot choose 5 because it is equal to 5. These are the 4 possible solutions for this inequality. Let's make it harder. 3 plus what is less than 7? I think of a number. I add it to 3. The answer is less than 7. What could it be? I think there are many solutions, but let's visualize this on the number line. I start at 3. I jump or I walk some steps, but I should land before 7. I can land on 6, 5, or 4. So if I am 3 and I walked one step forward, I will land on 4, and 4 is less than 7. So the missing number here could be 1, because 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is less than 7. So this is a possible solution. Another solution, I can land on 5. So I need 2 steps after 3 to land on 5. 5 is less than 7. So 2 is another possible solution. And the last solution here is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is less than 7. So 3 is a possible solution. You can check your answer by adding 3 plus 1 equal to 4 less than 7. Correct. Check the 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 less than 7. Correct. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is less than 7. So correct. So for this inequality, I have 3 possible solutions. So to sum up, I can say the main strategy to solve this kind of equalities and inequalities to reverse the action, and the equalities have one solution, but the inequalities may have more than one solution. And this was all for today. Thank you very much.